Hello, welcome to Abingdon Motorcycles here in Oxford. Got this bike that we're taking on a part exchange. It's a CRF 250L. This is the rally version. It's a 250cc engine. Obviously an all-terrain bike, used on-road or off-road. And the rally is a exclusive version, so you get more to it. So you see the shock guards, you've got headlight guards, you've got the screen, got a slightly different colour scheme. Got the rack on the back, knuckle protectors, plus a few more bits and bobs. So it's a 2017 bike this, it's very, very clean. You know, it only has 2,520 miles. So you got your gear selector, gear signal there, tell you what gear you're in. So we prepare the bike, it's a Honda, so it goes through our Honda workshop with our Honda trained technicians. They give it the full check over, safety check, etc. And this bike would be, well, we put a warranty on the bike as well. We do offer extended warranty packages should you want to have a little bit longer than what we offer, free of charge. And we can also offer a very competitive finance, so PCP, hire purchase would be available on this bike. So as I said, it's really clean, as you would expect for just some little miles, but it's great to see it's been so well looked after for an all-terrain bike like this. So please contact us here in Abingdon on 01235 550 055 should you wish to find out more about this bike or arrange a viewing. Thank you.